I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your FC mobile app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for FC mobile app, or just click on search. Then here add FC mobile app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on force stop, then you click on OK, then you go down here. So you keep going down, then you click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do is, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.